In this video, I will also cover more exponent and polynomial. Let's say you have a parenthesis, open parenthesis, and then you have minus a raised power to the 5, b raised power to the 7, and then c raised power to the 9, close it, and then multiply by 4, power of 4. So as you know, any variable coefficient will be 1. Here coefficient will be 1. So, and if you bring at front minus 1, here it is not gonna change, because if you multiply minus 1 to all this will be the same. So, and then we have here and a to the power 5 times 4, we got 20, a to the 20. And then we have b to the power of 7 times 4, we got 28. And then c 9 times 4, we got 36. Okay, and the a here, as you can see, we don't have here a -1, because what has happened was this is power of 4, which means for here it's like -1 raised power of 4, which equal to -1 times -1 times -1 times -1. So -1 times -1, you have to multiply 4 times. You got what? +1. +1 times -1, you got -1. -1 times -1, back to the 1. So 1 is already here, no need to write it down. So that's why then for this problem, so you got a 20, b to the power of 28, c to the power of 36. That's how you solve for this one, where you basically you multiply each power that the variable raise it, you multiply for the outside the power. So, and the outside power here is a 4. So you multiply each one. So this final answer become a to the power of 20, b to the power of 28, and c to the power of 36. This is the final one. Here again we have 5a plus 6 close parenthesis square. Square means we have 2 to the power of 2 is what? 2 times 2. So you multiply it twice. It's the same thing for this polynomial. It says 5a plus 6 times again, because it's 2 here, right? So it is 2 here. So you multiply twice. So another 5a plus 6. So 5 times 5 is a 25, a square, a times a square, plus 5 times 6 is what? 30a, plus, and then 6 times 5a again is 30a, plus what we got here? We got 6 times 6 is 36, right? But we can add these two together. What are we gonna get? We're gonna get 25a plus 60a plus 36. This is going to be the final. Nice and clean. So and I show you how it works, polynomial uh, multiplication. So it becomes 25a plus 60a plus a square, right? Is the final one. All right, and here is what we have: 3x square minus 5x minus 6 close parentheses plus, and then we have 5x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, so there is no multiplication division, it's just the addition, right? So when it's the addition, then we learn in basically middle school you have to what was it says in middle school here, like this: combine like term, that's how they phrase. So this is has power of 2 and this has power of 2, so you can combine like a term. So 5 plus 5 is 8, and x squared, because when it's a multiplication, it's the same power, you take that power, and then minus 5 plus 4x. So and then it will be minus x, because minus 5x plus 4x, with this 2 sign it becomes subtracting, then the 5 is bigger, so the x carry and negative. So that's how it goes. And minus 6 plus 4 here, right? Minus 6 4, or we got minus 2. This is the final answer, and this is another exponent here and polynomial here for a 12th grade.